Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Paintology tutorial. In this tutorial we're just going to do a simple drawing by joining the lines, following the line numbers as you can see here. Very easy, but it lets you become familiar with the tools that we have for drawing, and also to get you acquainted with digital drawing if you're fairly new to this. So firstly, we're going to select a line, an actual line. So we pick this charcoal line, and we can see that it's yellow. So we'll do the undo stroke here at the bottom of the brush, and then select a palette that's a color that's more black here. And again, let's try it again. As you can see, it's too dark, too thick. So again, we're gonna reduce it again. That seems about right. So let's undo that, and then let's start drawing. So here we are. Oops, accidentally pressed that. Oops. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. So we're just following a very simple drawing, but gives you an idea. There you are. Very easy. And now we could go ahead and, if we're adventurous, start doing shadings on this line itself. So don't know what color lines are, maybe on the brown side, and then we can select the charcoal, keep the charcoal, and then just draw here, as you can see. That's the main we're drawing. So I could draw that. So there you are. So you can get feathery effects if you want. You can see. So there we have it, and you can go on finishing this drawing. And we have many more tutorials for you to try. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again. Thanks. Bye-bye.